guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's project, we're going to fix my screw up on my F-150. Let's get started. So a few weeks ago I put a leveling kit on the front of my truck and I screwed something up. So the axles on the front of an F-150 are held into the hub by a small 13mm nut. So anybody that's ever put an axle in a vehicle before knows that they usually have a huge, like 1.25 inches or bigger nut on the end of the axle. So that's what I'm used to doing. So when I put the nut on the axle to put it back in the hub, I used my impact gun, and that was a no-no. And I broke the end of the axle off. Very easy to do. The torque on those is only supposed to be 30 foot-pounds. And of course, I didn't look to see what the specs were. So anyway, I broke that off, and now I've got to replace an axle. The best deal I could find on an axle was from Rock Auto. And no, this is not OEM axles, but that's okay. I wasn't going to give $300 or $400 for an axle that I screwed up. This one was $100. So anyway, I'm going to use it and see how it goes. As you can see here, this is what I broke off. Tightened that down too tight. Broke this stud off the end of it. It doesn't have to be that tight on the F-150. This is only there to hold the axle in place. So to get this axle put in, I'm going to have to take the upper ball joint loose, take the tie rod end loose, and maybe the bottom of the strut, possibly, not sure yet. I've got to pull the hub down out of the way, pull the axle out of the hub, and then pull it out of the transmission. So hopefully this goes smoothly. Trying out a lav mic today, right here. Never used a mic before, mostly just the camera audio. Tried it one time and had some issues, so I haven't used one since. It was wireless, this one's direct wired, so this is supposed to be a good one. You guys let me know how my audio sounds. Right there is the broken nut. As you can see, I broke it right off. Definitely using a torque wrench this time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed how to change a front axle in an F-150. I'm going to try not to do that again. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.